In this video, I'll be going over stocks like AMD, NVDA, and TSM, all of which are having some nice, great setups on the daily time frame, and they are in the same industry, which is the semiconductor industry. Subscribe with notifications on, leave a like, and let's get started. So first we have AMD, which is kind of like the big one. This was on the weekly watch list. I'm taking a look at the setup. We can previously see we had a lot of great setups in the past, and now it has a symmetrical triangle. Now, one thing to keep in mind is that this is a symmetrical triangle, so this is a neutral pattern. It depends on which side we go down to. So we can either break to the upside, where we have a bullish scenario if we close to the upside, or we can break the trend to the downside. So this is what we are taking a look, and this is what our scenario is for AMD. So it's sitting at support right now, and this could actually be right now a great area for calls. So buying in calls right at this level of support, and then having the stop loss close below. So I want to grab AMD calls right at market open, a month out calls for AMD, and then have the stop loss close below on the daily time frames for AMD. So this is what we are taking a look at for AMD stock. Now we also have NVIDIA with this channel type going on the daily time frame, which also kind of looks like QQQ in a way, which I'll go over in a minute. But we can take a look at NVIDIA. I'm also taking a look at the RSI, which is also very interesting. The RSI has hitting, pretty low at a support for NVIDIA and the RSI. So we're taking a look at, for this channel, we have this level of support, and then we have this level of resistance where it is right now at a level of support. So the probability of us breaking to the upside are a lot higher, since we are at a level of support right now. If it does break this trend though, then it does look ugly and it won't look good. Next we have TSM, which looks very interesting. We have the Taiwan Semiconductor stock, ticker symbol TSM, with a nice falling wedge. I really love this setup because of how tight it has gotten on the daily time frame, and we're looking at calls right above $95, so right at this level of resistance, and this has gotten extremely tight. Okay, so TSM looks amazing on the daily time frame right now. I really like this setup for this falling wedge. Next, let's take a look at SPY, QQQ, and overall market. We're taking a look at SPY, been kind of trading sideways for the past couple days, and then it's sitting right around the area of support. This is again our area for calls. We're bullish. We need to hold this 4.4 level. Again, we kind of rejected at 459, and we came back down, and we are at this level of support area. So we are bullish right around here. We are bullish, and this is a great area to buy in calls. So since this is the current dip right now, 459 is obviously going to be our resistance for SPY. Let's take a look at QQQ, which is the tech ETF with a very nice falling wedge. QQQ looks bullish if we can break to the upside. So the overall market looking good and looking very bullish. So overall, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Subscribe with notifications on, and see you guys later. Take care.